My name is Kara Mesick. I'm a branch assistant for the Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today we're going to be making ladybugs in a garden, and they're going to be called our garden landscapes. So, for this craft, you'll need a glue stick, some scissors, a black marker, and I have some red and green construction paper, black, and you'll need some cardstock. I chose to use blue cardstock, but you can use any color that you'd like. So I'm going to start by making some grass. I'm just going to cut some strips of paper. So I'm going to curve them a little bit. Going to be doing some different lengths. I've got my short pieces, and now I'm going to make a few long pieces. And while you're doing this, think about how you're going to want to place your ladybug. I'm thinking about having some extra long pieces so I can have my ladybug climbing up something. I think maybe just a few more short pieces. So now we're going to start by adding our grass onto our cardstock. So just apply little bits of glue where you're going to want to place your grass. Make sure when you add your pieces, you have it overlap a little bit. Give it a little bit more full picture. So your yard landscape should be shaping up just like this. While this dries, we're going to start making our ladybug. So I'm going to cut out a square from my black construction paper. And I'm going to cut this into a medium-sized circle. Now I need a second square, and this one's going to be a bit smaller. This is going to be the head of our ladybug. So we're going to glue these two pieces wherever you'd like. I'm going to put mine right down here in my empty space. And then attach the head. So now you should have your two circles in the middle of your garden. So we're going to repeat this step with our red construction paper, and we're going to make wings. So I'm cutting a strip, and then I'm making two squares. And now I'm going to make two circles that are going to be my wings. Make them big enough because we're actually going to fold them in half. So we fold them in half first. Now using your black marker, you're going to add the dots for your wings. Now using our glue stick, we're going to add the wings to our ladybug. And for the last part, I'm just going to use some of our leftover black paper, and I'm going to cut some very thin strips. Fold them over gently around your finger. Add a little bit of glue to the head of your ladybug, and we're going to give her some antennas. And now you have completed your ladybug garden. Thank you so much for joining us at Wycomico Public Libraries for our Kids Craft program, and we will see you next time.